the brazen assertion Monday by one of President Donald Trump's lawyers that a president cannot be found guilty of obstruction of justice signaled a controversial defense strategy in the wide-ranging Russia probe, as Trump's political advisors are increasingly concerned about the legal advice he is receiving. Trump tweeted over the weekend that he knew then National Security Advisor Michael Flynn lied to the FBI about his contacts with the Russian ambassador before firing him in February, and before FBI Director James Comey said Trump asked him to be lenient while investigating Flynn. Experts said the president's admission increased his legal exposure to obstruction of justice charges, one of the core crimes under investigation by special counsel Robert Mueller. But Trump's personal lawyer John Dowd sought to excuse the president's tweet in part by telling Axios and NBC News on Monday that the president cannot obstruct justice because he is the chief law enforcement officer under the Constitution's Article 2 and has every right to express his view of any case. Dowd declined to elaborate on his theory or explain the emerging legal strategy to The Washington Post. Inside the White House, some senior officials were baffled that Dowd publicly offered this interpretation of the law, which has been advanced since the summer by constitutional scholar Alan Dershowitz in defense of Trump but flatly dismissed by many other legal scholars. Ty Cobb, a White House lawyer overseeing its handling of the Russia investigation, said Monday that the Dershowitz-Dowd theory was not the president's official legal strategy. It's interesting as a technical legal issue, but the president's lawyers intend to present a fact-based defense, not a mere legal defense, Cobb said in an interview with the Post. That should resolve things, but we all shall see. President Donald Trump's personal lawyer said on Sunday that the president knew in late January that then National Security Advisor Michael Flynn had probably given FBI agents the same inaccurate account he provided to Vice President Mike Pence about a call with the Russian ambassador. Trump lawyer. President Donald Trump's personal lawyer said on Sunday that the president knew in late January that then National Security Advisor Michael Flynn had probably given FBI agents the same inaccurate account he provided to Vice President Mike Pence about a call with the Russian ambassador. Trump lawyer. Asked whether Trump agrees that a president cannot obstruct justice, Cobb replied, "I never talk about what the president's beliefs are or discuss communications between the president and his lawyers." Many Washington lawyers and legal scholars disputed Dowd's interpretation, citing several court cases and articles of impeachment, as well as, in the words of one expert, common sense. "We have a president, not a king," said Sam Berger, senior policy advisor at the Center for American Progress, a liberal think tank. "No one is above the law, whether it be Trump or any of his close associates. It's the sort of desperate claim that makes you wonder, what exactly are they hiding?"